Hello friends, our next practical is R to R D to A converter. We have binary weighted DAC also, but for practical we are having R to R D to A converter. This practical is implemented using OP07 IC, and for R to R, as its feature is there, we need only two types of resistor, R value and 2R value. So here we are assuming R equal to 7.5K and 2R is equal to 15K, and here these are the two digital bits, or here you can see that the switch symbol is shown over here. So the first switch indicates the bit B0 and the second switch indicates the bit B1. The reference voltage for this D2A converter is 5 volt, and here you can see in this OP07 circuitry, in the feedback path we have 15K resistor. So if you find out the equivalent resistance of this complete R to R network, it is coming to be R. So that's why the gain of this circuit is 2. So using the formula of DAC, which is given by B out is equal to minus V reference B0 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus B1 into 2 raised to minus 2. So if you substitute the bit values, so for gain equal to 1, this is the formula. So for this particular circuit, here the gain is 2. So what is happening, if I am putting both the bit equal to 0 0, so both the switches are connected to ground, the expected output is 0 volt. If one of the switch is connected to VCC, so the bits are 0 1, I am getting the output equal to minus 2.5 because the gain is 2. For 1 0 combination, the output is minus 5 volt, and for 1 1 combination, for 1 1 digital word, the output is minus 7.5. The negative sign indicates that the input is applied to the inverting terminal. Okay, so this is all about the theory of DAC. So let us see the circuit diagram, circuit on the breadboard. So using OP07, the DAC circuit is connected over here. The reference voltage of 5 volt is applied, and on the multimeter we are observing the output voltage. Now here you can see that these are the two switches. Okay, so with the help of these two switches we can apply the digital word. So let us connect both the switches to VCC. So now the condition is B0 B1 is equal to 1. So at that time I am getting the output voltage of minus 7.45. Ideal value is 7.5, but it is showing minus 7.45. Now let us make it 0 0. So I will connect both the switches to 0 0. So both the bits are 0 0. So here on the output I am getting 3.5 millivolt. Expected value is 0 volt, but here it is showing 3.5 millivolt. Now let us make me one of the bit to VCC. So now I have given one switch to VCC and second switch to ground. So I am getting 2.48. So it is expected to have 2.5 minus 2.5. I am getting minus 2.48. Now let me change the bit position. This will be 0 and this will be 1. So the expected value is 5 volt, minus 5 volt, whereas here I am getting minus 4.96. So for this DAC, input is in the digital form and we are getting the output in the analog format. Okay, stop.